Working with objects. To create professional and effective documents in Illustrator CS6, you need to learn how to work with different kind of objects. Before you start working with objects, it is crucial to understand what each of the object is. The text, the image, and the graphic. Text is a block of text within a defined text box. Image, a picture file with one of the following extensions: JPEG, GIF, or TIF. Then graphic, a vector art created in Illustrator, or tables, charts, graphs, etc. created in another program, for example, in Microsoft Excel. To use objects, such as image and graphics, you will need to use the place function. First, click the file, then choose the place. Navigate the desired and file and click place. The following sections offer an in-depth explanation of how to adjust images, graphics, and text with your document. It is show what will be the sizes using the width and the height, seeing here by dragging the edge of the image. You can place easily to every corner of this document.